Hello, friends and family. How are y'all doing? It's been a minute. I've been staying out that place. But I've been back again. Dollar Tree. I did Dollar Tree again. I have some repeats. I have some product reviews for you. And I also have some clearance. I found stuff for quota. One quota at the Dollar Tree. One quota. And I'm going to tell you how to find those things too. So stay to the end. So my repeat buys are these. Oh, backwards. That's weird. You know what? That is extremely weird. One of these things is not like the other. Now it's time to play our game. Okay, why this has to pull off? Okay, duh, child. I got it upside down. Okay. We ain't gonna talk about that. We ain't even gonna edit it out. We all just gonna sit and laugh about that for a minute. Okay, so here we go. Ranch and bacon pasta salad. This stuff right here, delicious, quick lunch or meal if you add a can of chicken. Delicious. So, yes, I put some more, bought some more. They actually make some this weekend. That do sound good. With some canned chicken. If we've been prepping, we got canned chicken and we need to start using because it's coming close to expiration. If not already expired, don't you throw away them expired cans. Open them, smell them, taste them, and use them. Okay? So, we have that. And that is a cheap meal because even the Dollar Tree sells canned chicken. So, $1.25 for that, $1.25 for a can of chicken, and $1.25 for some mayo, and another $1.25 for some club crackers or something if you're feeling jazzy, and you got a meal. That was a struggle meal growing up. Macaroni, tuna salad. So why can't we just change that to chicken? Okay? So here, this was also a repeat because I thought about it. It's two of us here. So I repeated this because I will not use this same bottle he used. Look. I don't care how much it's washed. It's been up in your nose hairs while you were sick. So no way. So I did get a set for me, a set for him. In the event we both get sick. In the event he gets sick one time, I get sick another one. He got his bottle, I got my bottle. But we ain't sharing bottles. One for each member of the house. Okay? So that lets you know they're still on the shelf. And you may need to go on and get you some. Another repeat buy is tea season. True lemon. These go very well in teas. Adds that lemon flavor. And it's not too bad. It has crystallized lemon, citric acid, lemon oil, and lemon juice. That's it. Lemon. So those go great in adding that little kick to your teas when you don't have a real lemon on hand, when your tree's not producing or whatever. However you get your lemons, just in case you find yourself without one, those are a great resource. So here, 7-day pill organizer, AM and PM. I'm trying to start a very good vitamin regimen along with some other things and taking my prescription medicines and being on task with it. So I figure maybe if I lay them out, like the morning vitamins and then the evening meds, I'll be more diligent about taking them. So I did get this for $1.25. And I like that it does have the AM, PM. Hopefully it'll hold all my pills or my vitamins, because vitamins are normally bigger. So that was a new purchase. Then this is a repeat buy. Child, these things taste good. And I only crave a moon pie once in a blue moon. But this salted caramel delicious. I know it ain't good for you, but it's delicious. But it tastes good. And we all got those things we're going to eat anyway. And the ingredients, yeah, it does have yellow, blue colorings, natural flavor. But everything I can read. Everything I can read. So it's not the worst thing you can eat when you want a treat. And these things taste good. Now that I let the cat out the bag, I probably won't be able to find any more this season, but we'll see. So here is another repeat. I love them. If I pay $1.25 for one drink, you know I gotta like it because I'm cheap. I'm cheap. But these bubbly drinks or bublés or bubbly bursts, the pineapple tangerine is, it tastes so good. And it says it has immune support, antioxidants, vitamin E. It tries to say it's good, but it just tastes good. So the bublé burst, pineapple tangerine, repeat buy. I say I like to have these in the freezer. Maybe I'll drink one once every 2 weeks as a treat. Like I'm tired of drinking water and I want something different, sort of thing. So this is a always repeat buy. Leftover Taco Tuesday meat. I don't want that again, or I'm gonna eat a salad today. Here you make you a bowl with this rice and you're good. This is mine for cameraman. So easy. I don't have to wait 30 minutes on rice. Gonna make you a quick bowl. Boom. So I like to keep that in the cabinet, and I was actually completely out. And then they came out with a new one in the Dollar Tree. Eat Regal. Broccoli and cheddar rice. We ain't gonna talk about how this company ghosted me, but I still use their products. Broccoli and cheddar rice. So I say we'll give this a try as a quick side dish. Might have leftover meat, or go to J Lemon Pepper and buy a 5-piece. There go your rice, throw you some broccoli, and you got dinner. Okay? So here is something new. The Pacific Organic Red Pepper and Tomato Soup. Okay, so the ingredients on this are like, oh, here it is. Down here at the bottom, it's reduced fat milk. So those are lactose intolerant. This is a no for you. It's the first ingredient. Tomato paste, red bell peppers, cane sugar, roasted red bell peppers, roasted garlic, sea salt, butter, sodium citrate, non-fat dry milk, rice flour, garlic powder, onion powder, spices, organic, contains milk. Okay, so this expiration date is February 20th, 2025. So you must drink this cold season, because it's, I don't trust these containers go bad quicker. They're not going to last you year after year of expiration. So do those fast. Drink those fast. And then we always, I posted a short, so if the short led you here, we always look at the books. And I said I wasn't going to buy no more, but I could not resist. I could not resist these few books. Now I did, like I say, do a short showing you, the interesting ones that they had. I'll link it above if I can remember. But first, let me get to this new item. Okay, I forgot about these. That's book related, but this is not. So I also do a beauty aisle update and show you what's in the beauty aisle that might be new to you and new to me. So this, if you're doing baskets or anything like that, we're going to test this out eventually, but this is the electronic nail kit with 3 attachments, and I'm sure it's battery operated. It uses AA battery, so we'll see how this works. Maybe in a short, I don't know. And these bookmarks, now these are very cute. One says trust, rejoice always. One says we have hope, grace, joyful in hope. Be joyful in hope. And one says love. So these are very cute. And the last, well, not the last. We have the books. Stay tuned for the quarter item. So, Flavor for All. This is Everyday Recipes, Creative Pairings. This will be a cute, okay, decorative shelf book. And they have some recipes, of course. They don't look like very complicated recipes. Short ingredients list. Okay, ingredient list. Basic recipes. Chianti braised beef with grits. That sounds expensive. All those ingredients. But beautiful pictures. Beautiful pictures. And yeah, that's a long ingredient list. But I thought it was a very cute book. It's very pretty. Flavor for All. And the back even looks good, good, good. Okay? For $1.25. And y'all know I'll peel off the back. Let's see. I should have peeled off the back before I even got y'all over here. But let's see if we can do it. And get the regular price. Child. $30. And it says higher in Canada. Maybe y'all can see. I don't know. But it says $30. And it says higher in Canada. $30 book at the $1.25 tree. Here is another one. And while I'm doing this, let me tell y'all. Today, I'm a little bit disturbed, and I do talk about in my last video school supplies and one more year of school, and I'm so grateful that we only have one more year after this one. Because we got, they send alerts here when the school's on lockdown. And though my child does go to a good school, it's in a sketchy neighborhood. It can get sketchy at times. And I got one of those alerts today, and you get nervous with everything that's going on when you get those alerts and text messages. But please do make sure you're signed up for those just in case something really goes down. But it was some activity in the neighborhood that shut down 4 schools, but it's okay. So this was regular $25, and it is the Maker's Workshop by Smithsonian. And it has fascinating history and essential how-tos. Gardening, crafting, decorating, and food. Look like they have some canning recipes in here. Bread making. So I thought this was an excellent value. Great pictures. Actual stories. I don't know if I'll ever do needlepoint. But some of this other stuff, yes. So, yes. The Maker's Workshop. Be on the lookout for that book. $25 book for $1.25. And I did buy one other thing. This pen. And I have one other book to show you. I didn't know this was caught up in here. But I like the multicolored pens. That's like nostalgic for me. Bringing back the kid life. And you got all these colors. So I thought that was cute. That was a splurge, $1.25 for one pen. So, let me see how much this one retails for. This one is Deliciously Ella. And it has plant-based, gluten-free recipes. And it retailed for $25. You may be able to see that. Just trust me, I don't tell you. $25. But it is a hardback book. Very nice. And it has 100 plus easy, healthy, and delicious plant-based, gluten-free recipes. So like cacao hazelnut spread. Just give a few. Sweet potato brownies. Now that sounds interesting. Great way to use up our sweet potatoes. Mango and cashew mousse. They have strawberry jam. So this looks pretty good. And they're plant-based. So I thought this was a cool book to have. So that is Oh, now you're ready for the 25-cent item. Now you're ready for the 25-cent item. This is the bag of the 25-cent item. Okay, so I bought 16 of them because they were 25 cents. I'm so excited. And these were 25 cents. So I saw them in the markdown basket when I first walked in the door. Start paying attention when you first walk in the door. I've seen this at several Dollar Trees, but it's normally some old candy or something that nobody wants, or some food that looked like it already been opened. But this day I paid attention and I saw these and I said, well, how much are they? And she said $1.25, and I started loading them into the cart. So I did check them to make sure the stick is in. Okay, and I also checked them, child, I might have missed this one, to make sure the pull tab is there and all the pieces are there. So I got 16 of them. I got a project in the back garden that will work well with these. And I only paid $0.25 because you know they don't work after a year or two and they no longer light up and they're trash. So I'd rather put $0.25 in the trash than the $1.25. Okay? So be on the lookout for that little bucket in the front of your Dollar Tree and ask, how much is this? And that is all. That is it. That is all. I spent about $26, but I had a lot of items. Let me see, those 16. I had like 25, like 40 items, and only spent $26. And I got some great values. What was your favorite items in this haul? Have you tried those salted caramel moon pies? Try it, you won't regret it. And thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you and the time you took to watch this video. As always, prep and pray and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. I love you to life. Have a wonderful day.